Hi, Gabrielle. I opened your zip file and see that there's just the FLA file in it. You also want to export an HTML file for me to view it. And then if you're not going to do that, at the very least break your font so I can see what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, so you've had this issue from, I know I've commented on it now at least twice. So you got to do that if you want to earn all the grades, right? All right, so let me see if it works. Super. But it doesn't go, you got that button working, but it doesn't go outside. In fact, this one is supposed to be a little different. This one is supposed to be your personal file, not the one from school, not the one from the tutorials. You can see this one that Katie did has a link to Behance. It's a little different. All right, so double check the requirements. Let me know if you have any questions.